Hello there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Every once in a while, you find a piece of furniture that just fits all of your needs. This is a contemporary minimalist sideboard from Walker Edison. It has 4 doors and it's 70 inches long. So you do have to put it together completely, and it does have good instructions. However, I would recommend having someone to help you, especially holding certain pieces or having to flip it over once you're completed putting it together. It does help to have someone because it's very sturdy and very heavy, so you don't want to do that alone. So the shelves are adjustable, and I love the fact that these doors have no knobs, which makes it really modern. Also, the fact that they are soft close is great. I wasn't expecting that. It's such a great feature. And it's not sitting on feet. It actually has a ledge that it sits on, so it's completely closed off on the bottom. So for me, that means no dog hair or anything is going to get underneath this, so it's easy to keep clean. The finish is dark walnut. Again, it's just exactly what we were looking for this space. The 70 inches and 4 different sections really give us a lot of storage options, and it's just got a real modern look to it, very clean lines. It just looks excellent in our room, exactly what I was hoping for. Very sturdy, very strong, but it's got such a beautiful look to it. The sleek and modern look to this piece, as well as the tons of storage inside, has made it exactly what we wanted for this space. And that is my point of view.